One way to disseminate your research findings is through infographics. Infographics are user-friendly and easy to consume and pretty to look at. But beware, there is a danger that you will oversimplify your research, because the small print, the terms and conditions, get left behind in the 2,500 words which are still in the original paper and which does not end up in the final infographic. So when you put it together, beware of this potential problem to oversimplify and even add a word of caution where needed. Now open in front of me is an example of an infographic, and just to show you a typical format, you have your heading here at the top. Then you have the full citation details. Make sure you have a clickable link to the website where the full paper can be found. Here's a few facts, a bit of a summary of the methods, the who, the how, the why, and then it follows with the major findings. Now if I look at this infographic, I must say I can add some color here. And look at this one, maybe too much color here. So here's our heading, the title, full citation details, again why the study has been done and how it's been done and why it's important, and the major findings. Now let me show you how this was done. Open in front of me is a website, canva.com. It contains a lot of free graphic design elements, but there's also a few paid elements as well. You go to templates, infographic, and here you'll find a paradise full of infographics. Look at this one, it looks like a timeline. How pretty is that? And there's so many to choose from. So then you just choose one of these infographics depending on how your research will fit into it. And you will be able to modify it from here. So this is what the full screen looks like. Let's make it slightly bigger. And here you can alter all these elements, change the background effects. See the color here at the back. You can bring in a few elements that you've uploaded. You can upload your own images, drag them in if you want to. There's elements, photos, some built-in photos that you can use, videos. So there's so background effects, so many functions and options. You can change the font, you can move it around. So such a user-friendly program. So go and play around with Canva. Make sure you keep open a few hours and not only 30 minutes, because it's really an exciting playground and you may get carried away.